vibes with your boy Lex Millie. Today I'm going to be talking about meme coin mania, what to expect from Pepe, ship, Doge, price next week. But I'm only going to be talking about Pepe. But before I do that, if this is the first time that you come to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let YouTube know I'm here. Show your boy some love. And always stick around to the end of the video because I always give you guys a price prediction. Let's get it in. So reading here on Coinpedia, what to expect next week for these altcoins. I'm going to kind of skip through everything and go straight to the bottom as far as Pepe goes. It says here, the recent upswing of Pepe is partially credited to Binance's decision to feature both Pepe coin and Floki on its Innovation Zone platform. This action by the well-known exchange indicated a degree of mainstream recognition for these meme coins, meme-based currencies, which probably played a role in boosting their appeal among traders. And it shows a little chart here that I am going to go over that in a little bit. And they talk a little bit about, as of writing, which is true, as of writing, Pepe prices trades at about 5026, declining over 5.3% in the last 24 hours after facing resistance near the 5045, which was the all-time high. The Pepe coin faced downfall and dropped below the 38.6% of fib channel, which I'll show you that in a few minutes as well. On the hourly price chart, Pepe has made a steep decline and is currently trading below the EMA 50, hinting the bears are gaining control. So, that was one of the things that I was worried about, right? It's great that we got listed on Binance. It's great that we got listed on KuCoin and Crypto.com and all these other exchanges. But what happened was now you're letting everybody in, right? And everybody's starting to, they're able to short it, right? A lot more now. So the bears are here now. Before, when we were buying just on Uniswap, it was pretty much just buys, right? Buy. But we were swapping here and there, but we were just buying and buying and buying. But now that we have access to, Binance and Crypto.com, people can get in there and just straight up short it. They want to see it go down. So now we have that to go against us. They're going to try to battle it. In the next few days, Pepe token may decline more to support levels of the 5018. If it fails to surge above the 503. So let's look at the charts, right? Because I want to break this down to you guys. And honestly, I agree with this. If we look at something very important, let's look at the Bill Williams first. The Bill Williams lines, and let's get into the, I'm going to give you my price predictions here. The Bill Williams lines, I knew we were going down when basically right around here, it started turning, right? And I said that if we were to cross this 8-hour moving average, that's not good, right? And so we did that convincingly, and now we're just starting to get under the 13-hour moving average. Now remember, in order for this to reverse, guys, something has to happen, right? It has to go back down and then come back up through that 13-hour, right? Through this 13-hour right here, right? So let me fix that to make it look a little better. So it has to come back up to there. So what do I think is going to happen from here, guys? Honestly, I think that we're probably going to, test some levels here. And we're going to find that out in the next couple of hours because basically we're looking at the current time of this recording, I'm looking at the 4-hour candle right now. When you guys see this video, it'll probably be one more candle there. And that candle is very important because it needs to basically decide where it's going to go from here, right? It's very possible that we're just going to kind of go like this, right? And then work our way back up somewhere down the road. I don't think tomorrow that's going to happen, okay? Or today. I don't think today that's going to happen. If we look at, I like to look at the daily, okay? Because the daily tells you a lot. So it's always good to zoom out to get the bigger picture. And if you look at the daily, guys, we still have room to go down, right? on the daily chart, on the Bill Williams lines, nothing's crossed over, right? Nothing crossed over. Nothing's headed in the down direction. We just had a really bad red day. And this is the start of this candle here. This is the new candle. That candle's going to say a lot. I mean, honestly, if I'm being honest with you guys, it might push back just to try to touch that right there, touch this level right here, which takes us to about 20 cents. That seems realistic to me. The 20 mark, I think that's kind of where we're headed, because if you look at the 4 hour, I'm sorry, but yeah, let's look at the 4 hour. If you look at the 4 hour, just by the way it's moving, it looks like it's headed that way, because we still, like I said, we still have, these crosses right here that have to decide where they're going to go. And, it might scoop, like I said, it might scoop all the way down here and then work its way back up, right? So that would be about the 20 cents, guys. I don't see it running personally right this second. Is it over for Pepe? No way, man. I think Pepe is just getting started. You got to remember, it's not even a month old. I do like the ribbons. I'm going to show you this real quick. I do like the ribbons. The ribbons are nice, guys. I mean, the ribbons are nice. If you look at this, and I want to show you something that's very, very important. The last time we went down, right? The last time we went down, these lines are important in the colors, right? So what we did was, and it looked bad at the moment, but when you look at the ribbons, it looks pretty good. So we there's a yellow line here, the orange line, a little bit more orange, and then red, right? We get to the red lines. Basically, the bottom half of this are all red lines. And so we dipped down, but we managed clearly to stay above this little orange line, which means that we stayed on the upside, right? Once we dip to the reds, like these lines are here, we're in trouble. It's going down more, right? So if you look at the ribbons, the moving average by ribbons, and you look at what happened just now, we're still pretty good. I mean, we just blew up so high that we had to fill that gap, guys. That big, huge gap, right here, right? We had to fill that gap, and it happened, right? So the good news is that it is staying above the 20 estimated moving average, the 20, right? Which is right here. It kind of went down to the second line, which is the 25, but it didn't. And so far, we're holding on to that. So it leads me to believe that this might be the level right here where everybody's agreeing on, we'll see. We'll see what happens there. It's possible, like I said, that we might dip into this zone because there was a clear, not a full day, but about 12 hours of kind of like consolidating there on the 4-hour candles. So this level might be, this level in here might be interesting for Pepe. So that's my prediction, guys. I don't think we're going up tomorrow or today. I think it's going to kind of decide what it wants to do. And then once we start seeing, and I go back to the Bill Williams, once we start seeing a correction there, because obviously that's clearly showing you that we're in a downtrend right there, right? With the Bill Williams lines, they crossed over each other on both sides. The 5 crossed the 8, and then the 8 crossed the 13. So that's definitely downside momentum, and we got to flip that around. It's got to do a whole curve to do that. So, like I said, I think that we're gonna stay in those little area right there. We're gonna find out in the next couple hours what happens there, or the next 4 hours, or probably by 12 afternoon tomorrow. It's really gonna be the decision time for Pepe, and we can start curving back up, and then that's where I would say, listen, it's crossed over to go back up. Let's pick up a little bit more and start heading and getting ready for the bull run, right? A lot of things happening. Coinbase hasn't listed yet, and also There's more catalysts coming, and if we want to look real quick, I was going to look at crypto bubbles, but we don't need to do that. Either way, I don't think we're going up, guys. I think we're going to kind of like flatline somewhere around 20 cents and 25 until we start making a move. So that's all I got for you guys. I hope you appreciate that. It's your boy Lex Millie, always giving you the crypto vibes. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Show your boy some love. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.